If your books are behind right now and tax season is stressing you out, you are not alone. I see this every single year. Business owners get busy, bookkeeping falls behind, and then suddenly it's tax season and everything feels overwhelming. The good news, you can get back on track. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to catch your books up quickly and when it might make more sense to get help. Let's walk through how to get you caught up without making this more stressful than it needs to be. First, let's quickly confirm where you are. You're likely behind if you have months of uncategorized transactions, your bank accounts haven't been reconciled, you're not sure if your numbers are accurate, or you've been avoiding logging into QuickBooks Online altogether. If that's you, don't panic. We're going to break this down step by step. Make sure all your transactions are actually in QuickBooks Online. If your bank and credit card accounts are not connected, upload your statements so you're working with complete data. Don't jump around. That's how things get messy. Go month by month in order. It keeps everything clean and prevents errors from stacking. At this stage, you do want to be accurate, but don't let overthinking every single transaction stop you from moving forward. Focus on getting your main categories correct, your income, your core expense categories, and anything that looks unusual or doesn't clearly belong. If you're unsure about something, it's okay to flag it and come back to it, but the goal is to keep things moving while still being thoughtful about your categorization. This step is critical. Reconciling makes sure your QuickBooks Online matches your actual bank accounts. If you skip this, your numbers might look right, but they're not reliable. Run your profit and loss and take a look. Ask yourself, does the income look right? Do the expenses make sense? If something looks off, it probably is. Go back and double check. Now, I want to be honest with you because this is where a lot of business owners get stuck. If you're several months behind or you're unsure about what you're doing, this process can take a lot of time. And mistakes during cleanup can actually cost you more later, especially during tax season. Here's a simple way to decide. You can probably handle this yourself if you're only a month or two behind, your transactions are pretty straightforward, and you're comfortable using QuickBooks Online. But it might be time to get help if you're multiple months behind, your books feel confusing or messy, or you just don't have the time to deal with it right now. This is exactly when most of my clients reach out during tax season, when they need things cleaned up quickly and correctly. If you're feeling overwhelmed or just want to make sure this is done right, I do offer QuickBooks Online cleanup services. I'll take a look at where your books stand, identify any issues, and help you get everything organized so you can move forward with confidence. I'll leave the details in the description below if you want help getting this handled before your tax deadline. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more QuickBooks Online and bookkeeping tips.